Hi there, it's Elisa again. I'm here at the VGM Live at Home conference in Kansas City, and I am here with Tim Anderson from Human Care, and he is going to describe a great product. I'm going to back up a little. This is called a two-post system, and it is a ceiling lift without going into the joists, and he has some new products he's going to show us.
Yeah. So thank you. So yeah, this is our two-post freestanding gantry system called the FlexiRail. It allows you to do a over-the-bed, typically an over-the-bed application without having to attach to any structural members within the home. So also allows you portability. We have options, caster options that can be added to this to allow it to move throughout the home. It'll lower and fit through a standard 80-inch doorway as well, but you can move it over the bed or into different rooms within the home. So it's got fully height adjustability, simple pin lock adjustability there, and also width adjustability. So we can get out almost 16 feet with our freestand, and also the width adjustability allows the feet to get out of the way to allow bedside care and not have obstructions with wheelchairs or for the caregivers present. So it will accept any of our overhead lift systems. We have our Helix fixed lift. We have our brand new Cosmos, which is a portable and fixed unit all in one. So you can simply flip the orientation of that motor into a portable option as well. And then we have our Roomer S, which is not typically used on a freestanding gantry, but this allows you to go room to room without modifying the door headers whatsoever. So it's a simple two-strap system. You can run the rail up to the door header on one side, the rail up to the door header on the other side. Caregiver simply attaches into the other side of the door header, flips the switch in the direction they want to travel, hits up on the hand control. If I do it right, here we go.
And that means you don't have to have a hole above your doorway.
Or notch the door header. Right. Now you're into the bathroom. Caregiver simply releases the strap and they continue on their way into the next room. So whether you want to attach a freestanding unit like you see here with our FlexiRail two-post system, a wall mount, pole mount, or ceiling mounted system with curves, straight tracks, full room traverse systems, we really have an application for all of it.
And you want to demonstrate this new product, which I am fascinated with.
Yeah, so this is actually, this is an uplift self-transfer system. So we do not manufacture this product, but we are a manufacturing partner with them. It is integrated into our hoist. It allows an individual to do a fully independent self-transfer. They can control the hoist and the recline functionality right here from the two joysticks on the unit. So they can do a supine or a seated transfer from a bed to a wheelchair and vice versa. And then it allows them to not have to get a sling under them.
This is my favorite feature.
Yeah, so this will actually open up. Let's say an individual's lying in bed. This will open up and allow the lift to come down, and then they can start to close it around them, and it will essentially scoop them up from the bed, and then from the supine position, they can start to sit themselves upright with assistance.
Now, can it get somebody off the floor? That's an exciting feature.
Yep. So this will actually lower down all the way down and do the same thing as if you were sitting in a chair, and it'll scoop under the legs. Whether you're lying on the floor or seated on the floor, they can pick themselves up and move themselves around the home.
And is there a weight limit?
300 pounds on this.
Okay,
yep.
Great.
Yep.
And remember, folks, off of the floor. We get a lot of questions about how do I get my loved one off the floor.
And that is the case with all of our lift systems. So one of the things our engineers kind of take into consideration is the ceiling height versus what will actually get all the way to the floor for a lift. If somebody were to fall all the way down to the floor, we can still get them.
Okay, and how do people connect with you?
HumanCareGroup.com is our website, or you can email me at tim.anderson@humancaregroup.com.
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you.